Hey guys, hey, have you ever bought leads? Are you trying to get the most out of your leads, trying to figure out how to make more money with your leads? I know there's a lot of agents out there that are subscribing to Zillow and they're getting Zillow leads. And this video, we're going to talk about 3 common mistakes real estate agents are making when they're buying Zillow leads, guys. So hey, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button below. Oh, if you would, give me a thumbs up, comment below, tell me what else you would like to see or any other videos you'd like to see me do. Make sure you subscribe though, because tomorrow I'm going to share a Zillow buyer script for you so you know exactly what to say when you get on the phone. So guys, number 1, what most agents are doing when they're subscribing to Zillow is they're buying into the most popular zip codes. So what they're doing is they're spending $500 or $1,000 or $2,000 or $3,000 on the most popular zip codes in town. I'll tell you guys, the deals with Zillow are buying the zip codes that are on the outskirts of town, the zip codes that aren't as popular. You can get a little bit more bang for your buck. You can get a little bit more exposure for your dollars there. So buying into the zip codes that are not as popular. Guys, there's still people, if you're in a place that's got some rural area on the outskirts of your town, you're going to get the most bang for your buck in that rural outskirts of town, right? The in-between areas. There's still people that want to live there. There might not be as much houses. The price point might not be the price point you want to stay in, or it might be a little lower than the price point you want to stay in, but there's still people looking to purchase houses out there. So number two, the second thing that a lot of agents do is they get the lead, but they don't actually pick up the phone and call it. Or they'll have one conversation with it and they never call the lead back. They basically just deal through email, right? But a lot of agents out there are paying a lot of money for Zillow and other lead services that are very similar, and they're just not ever calling the lead. They're not doing anything. It comes in their email box, and if somebody is registering on Zillow, they're probably registering on other websites too. So by the time they call them, if they wait till the next day, if they wait till 5 hours later that afternoon, that lead's already contacted 10, 15 other agents maybe, or they've been contacted at least by 1 or 2 really good agents, right? So number three, most agents are subscribing to Zillow and they're subscribing to lead sources and they don't have a serious follow-up plan for them. They're just taking and they're just hoping for the best. They talk to the person one time on the phone. They say, oh, buyer Joe, he liked me on the phone and he said that when he gets ready, he'll call me. But they don't have a calendar. They don't have anything they're putting these people in to do a serious follow-up with. If they are, they say, hey, we're going to put them on a drip. Guys, I'll tell you, the whole drip thing, I'm so ready for it to go away in the real estate business, because most of your drips are nothing more than spam, and they're all going to people's junk folder, right? So most agents, what they're doing with them is they're putting them in a CRM, and they hope the person calls them when they see something they like. And that's all they're doing. That's it. So guys, I hope this helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And guys, my group coaching offered at a special deal to my YouTube followers. You can go to Jason Morris Group Coaching and use the coupon code YouTube and get 50% off the first month. So that is Jason Morris Group Coaching, and the coupon code is YouTube. Guys, stay tuned tomorrow. Subscribe to my channel. Tomorrow I'm going to share a Zillow buyer script with you. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.